refrigerator toy. Let's see what's inside this box. Oops, I accidentally torn it. Never mind. Wow, there's something peeking out of here. Wow, this is a refrigerator toy. Let's get it out from here. This is the refrigerator toy. Here is the ice place where ice comes out. See, there's many things in here. Wait, something went. Oh, here it is. This is a milk. And I also better need something else. Wow, it's a tiny one. So please take a look. Some butters. And it's a tiny one. So take a closer look at the letters. Here it is. And these are the ice molds. We'll put water and fill it and put it in the refrigerator here and let it become so cold. And next, there is soda cans. See, take a look at here. It's a soda bottle. Yay! 2 soda bottles. Check. And a pizza delivery. Oh, it's more like ice cream delivery. Lovely orange mixed fruit juice. And take another look, you will find this. Wow, no, you can keep it like this too. You can take out this too. This refrigerator is amazing, huh? Yes. And let's keep everything back inside. Let's see how small this refrigerator is. Come follow with me. Ooh, this is the smallest one I ever seen. And this is bigger than me. I can't even reach the top. So cool, huh? Look the difference. This is smaller and this is bigger. It's much more taller than me. Okay friends, bye. And I hope you liked the video of unboxing a new refrigerator toy. I'm gonna get some more of these videos, the same as this one, and with different new toys. And bye bye. See you off my channel. But don't go off my channel. Just press the like button and subscribe button too. That will help me to make new videos. And I'm gonna play with it now.